Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the essentials, now begin. Open Google Pay, sign in with your Google account, and tap Profile to confirm your mobile number. Once done, select Add Bank Account and choose your bank from the list. This links your account via mobile number verification. You will receive an SMS for automatic verification. Make sure the SMS-capable SIM is in this phone. If verification fails, use manual UPI PIN setup later, but continue now to avoid delays. Once your bank is linked, tap Set UPI PIN and enter the last 6 digits of your debit card when requested. This verifies you with the bank. Next, choose a UPI ID. Pick a clear handle like name at Bank or a custom alias. This is what others will use to pay you. Then enter the OTP sent by your bank and set a secure 4-6-digit UPI PIN. Make sure to memorize or store the PIN securely. It authorizes all transactions. To finish, send a 1 rupee or small amount to a friend or your alternate account as a test. Confirm it goes through and appears in transaction history. If the payment fails or your UPI ID shows pending, make sure your mobile SIM, SMS permissions, and number with the bank match exactly. Then retry. If automatic verification keeps failing, contact your bank to enable UPI or reinstall Google Pay. This usually clears app-level issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.